Good morning, students. Students, you know we are studying trigonometry. So many problems have been done, and today I am here with some new questions. See the first question. Prove that cos square 48 degree minus sin square 12 degree is equals to root 5 plus 1 divided by 8. So start from LHS. In LHS we have cos square 48 degree minus sin square 12 degree. First step, multiply and divide by 2, means 2 and each divided by 2. So take out 1 by 2 as common. Now children, you know cos 2 theta have two formula. One is 2 cos square theta minus 1 and another is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So from the first identity, 2 cos square theta will be 1 plus cos 2 theta. Apply this one here. Here theta is equal to 48 degree, so 2 theta will be 96 degree. So 2 cos square theta should be written as 1 plus cos 2 into 48, which is 96 degree. 96 degree. Similarly, 2 sin square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta. Already minus here, so it should be written as minus 1 plus cos 2 theta, means cos 2 into 12 degree, which is cos 24 degree. See here, minus and plus 1 together cancels. So we have 1 upon 2 cos 96 degree plus cos 24 degree. Now apply the formula cos C plus cos D. You have already studied it. So cos C plus cos D is 2 sin C plus D by 2, means 96 degree plus 24 degree by 2. Sorry, both are cos. Sorry. Cos C plus D means 2 cos C plus D 96 degree plus 24 degree by 2 into cos C minus D by 2, that is 96 degree minus 24 degree upon 2. 96 plus 24, that should be 120 degree by 2, means 1 by 2 into 2 cos 60 degree into cos 96 minus 24, that is 72 degree by 2 cos 36 degree. So 2 and 2 should cancel. Cos 60 degree means 1 by 2, and you have proved the formula cos 36 degree, which is root 5 plus 1 by 4. Multiply, we will get root 5 plus 1 by 8. This is your RHS. So children, you have not to learn only identities, but you must remember the different values. Similarly, write down another question. Prove that prove that sine square 72 degree minus sine square 60 degree is equals to root 5 minus 1 upon 8. The process is same, means in LHS rationalized by 2 like previous problem, 1 by 2 sine square 72 degree minus 2 sine square 60 degree. And in previous problem what we have seen, 2 sine square theta is equals to 1 minus cos 2 theta according to the formula from cos 2 theta. So 2 sine square theta should be written as 1 minus cos 2 theta. Here theta is 72 degree, multiply with 2 means cos 72 into 2 144 degree minus this one 1 minus cos 2 theta means this becomes negative plus cos 2 into 60 degree cos 120 degree. Again positive and negative ones should be cancel them. We have left 1 by 2 cos 120 degree minus cos 144 degree. Now apply their values. Cos 120 degree, the value of 120 degree is minus 1 by 2. We know this value, minus 1 by 2 minus cos 144 degree. So multiply them, open the bracket, we have minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 cos 144 degree. Now convert 144 degree into 180 minus terms. So minus 1 by 4 1 by 2 cos 180 degree minus 36 degree. It should be written as 144 degree. Now cos 180 degree minus theta, that should be minus cos theta, means this becomes positive. Hence 1 by 2 cos 36 degree minus 1 by 4. Now write down the value of cos 36 degree. Cos 36 degree is root 5 plus 1 by 4. You have seen in previous problem. 1 by 2 into root 5 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Multiply them. It should be root 5 plus 1 by 8 minus 1 by 4. Now take out LCM. The LCM of 8 and 4 should be 8. Here root 5 plus 1 minus 2, and 1 minus 2 together becomes minus 1. So we write it root 5 minus 1 by 8, which is your RHS. Hence result is proved. In this way we solve the various problem. Now see some more question. Write down. Your next question is, prove that prove that 1 minus cos 2x plus sin x (1 minus cos 2x plus sin x) divided by 1 minus cos 2x plus sin x divided by sin 2x plus cos x is equals to tan x. This is your question. Prove that 1 minus cos 2x plus sin x divided by sin 2x plus cos x is tan x. So first convert this cos 2x angles in terms of x. So start from LHS. Your LHS should be written as 1 minus cos 2x, means 1 minus 2 sin square x plus sin x divided by, again here we have sin 2x, so its formula should be written as 2 sin x into cos x plus that will be cos x. Simplify and open the bracket first. So 1 minus 1 plus 2 sin square x plus sin x divided by 2 sin x into cos x plus cos x. First cancel 1 and 1 from numerator, and now numerator have left only two terms, 2 sin square x plus sin x. So take out common. Sin x will be common in numerator. Similarly, cos x is common in denominator. So take out common. Sin x is common in numerator. How much left? 2 sin x plus 1 divided by cos x from the denominator, 2 sin x plus 1. 2 sin x plus 1 should be cancels. How much left? Sin x upon cos x, and sin x upon cos x is tan x. Hence the result means that is your RHS. This identity is proved very easily. Now see one more question. Prove that cos 6 degree into cos 42 degree into cos 66 degree into cos 78 degree is equals to 1 by 16. See student, in such type of question, consider those angles whose sum of are different we know, like see 66 degree and 6 degree. Add them we don't know, don't learn, it is very difficult value, but 66 degree minus 60 degree we can find it easily. So first start from LHS and rearrange the terms. Like this should be written as cos 66 degree into cos 6 degree. Then into cos 78 degree into cos 42 degree. This is just multiplication. So rationalize this one by 2 first. Similarly, rationalize this one by 2 first. So rationalization, so it should be multiplied. We have 1 by 4. This should be written as 1 by 4. 2 cos A into cos B. 2 cos A into cos B means cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. 66 minus 6, that is 60 degree. Similarly, 2 cos A into cos B means cos 120 degree cos A plus B, that is 120 degree, plus cos A minus B, 78 minus 42, 36 degree. We have changed this one. Cos 72 degree. Cos 72 degree should be written as cos 90 degree minus 18 degree plus cos 60 degree. We know its value, this is 1 by 2 into cos 120 degree, that is minus 1 by 2 plus cos 36 degree, leave it as same. Cos 90 degree minus theta, which is sin theta, means 1 by 4 sin 18 degree plus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus cos 36 degree. Now write down their values, like sin 18 degree, that should be root 5 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus cos 36 degree. You have solved previous problems, that is its value is root 5 plus 1 by 4. Take out LCM. LCM of first bracket is 4 and we should write it as root 5 minus 1 plus 2. Similarly, LCM of second bracket is again 4 and we write it minus 2 plus root 5 plus 1. This should be 1 by 4. Root 5 minus 1 plus 2 is root 5 plus 1 by 4 multiplied with minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So root 5 minus 1 by 4. First multiply the denominators. 4 4 ja 16, 4 ja 100, sorry 64, 4 4 ja 16, 4 ja 64. This is multiplication of denominator and your numerator is root 5 plus 1 into root 5 minus 1. Here we apply the formula for a plus b into a minus b. That should be a square minus b square. So square of root 5 should be 5 minus 1 by 64. 4 by 64, that should be 1 by 16, which is our RHS. Similarly, we can prove that tan 16 degree, so tan 66 degree. So these questions will be given after completion of this class immediately. I request you, please solve the problem as soon as possible and send me on the time so that I will check it properly. These are your classwork, and homework will be given after today for some problems, and that will be submitted in the next day after the class. Till then, thank you and bye.